I want to clear something. Within 10 minutes, I cannot build this whole section, but let's try. I will record this screen within 10 minutes, what I can build for you, because I have more work to do, and uh, you feel free. And yeah, I'm seriously telling you that I'll be able to do it 1:1, 100%, as it is. As it is. I'll make a copy. No problem. Let's build it. Okay. Just just to show you about my skills and the quality of work, you will understand what I can do for you. Okay, so yeah, let's take the color. Let's take the color when it's loading for me. I take the main color. I'll paste it here just to saving the time. Just to save the time, I'll save it. Oh, I already saved that. Save. I'll take the color also. This one. There are 3 colors, I see. Just taking the color. Okay. First of all, what I do is I set the theme style. Before get started, I set the theme style because I should not spend time when adding color more and more every time, right? That's why I am putting the color to it. Okay. I have that color also. I'll replace the color with this one. Slide. Okay. It's fine. And then use the font that they are using. Okay, so let's find out the font. Font. Oh, here's the font family. So they are using 3 different fonts. I'm gonna use only one. That's it. Yeah, for now. I'll use this. I'll use this because it's time sensitive, and you know what? I'm gonna make exactly what it is, but for now, I don't think it will be work. So what I'm doing is I'm taking it more easier just because of the time to save. Okay. I'm doing it just to copy. Let's close this. Copy the whole thing at a time. Fine. This should be different, but where is the color? Where is the color? Color here. Okay, fine. It's fine. Should be bold. Maybe it being bigger to match this. I need the exact font, you know. So everything should be exact. For now, copy. Oh, I don't have anything. Just a second to implement the paragraph. I became fast, and that's why I'm doing this in that way. Okay. Scale, no scale. Maybe I'll check the font size right now. I'm just putting this all together. Just a second. It's bigger, like 22. Okay. 13 or 30, 40. It should be 22. Like that. Yeah, like that. And the button, yeah, button should be similar. So I'll make a button for you. And this star is icon, and this text is on a paragraph. So icon and paragraph, and then stuck to him and stuck inside. So that's the thing. But let me do the first part. Before I go, I change media, site file. Okay, I have saved both of them. Loading. Color like this. Opacity should be like that. Okay, and then this part. Oh, logo part. So check image, because the logo is a PNG and I'm not checking the SVG or icon, so I'm checking this, and the logo is normally like 80, but I'm giving it 82, something like that. And left margin 60, something like that. What I do will do freeze next section like that. Yeah, almost what we are talking about. So I will maybe just leave it. What I'll do is I'll copy this, copy to here. It's 6 minutes, 6 7 minutes. I'll copy and copy, add item, link all to the top, because I'm not gonna link it again. I'm not gonna link it properly for now. For now, this again. Let me be fast. First, duplicate. So in that way, blog and contact, blog and contact. Okay, the yes, the menu is all set. I'll do it relative white. Yeah, okay. Regular text color. How it is? Text color should be dark type, blue type. What I'll do is I'll just play around. I'm not gonna take it from there. Let's make it blue type. Is that something? It's good for now. I have to do I have to do many things. So hover, for the hover it should be text color like this, and not selected color. Selected is nothing is selected, so this one. Okay, everything is fine till now. Just I'm telling you, let's keep it right, because to make it very perfect I have to go through all these, inspect and look for what it is and how it is. So it will take time. That's it. I'm not doing exactly what it is, but I can, if I spend time on it, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes, I can successfully can do it. So, and these two buttons, okay, it's not like that I cannot or something. Yes, I can. I'm not doing it. Just taking the button, that type of data. Yes, I'm just putting only one button for now. Okay, I'm not I'm not going to do, because it's already 10 minutes. You can see within 10 minutes cannot. It's not possible. But don't feel I am not able to do. I am. Yes, I am. Just a second. Border 0, white 0, corner maybe 8. Yeah, 8 will work. Okay. And white text. White, and text paragraph 16, not 16, bold. It should not be bold, but it should not be very. It's a 500 property. It's not 400 property, but okay, let's keep it. And another 60 this side. So yeah, already I have done. test. I'll give you this. Okay, I'm done. I'm done for now because you already I have extended time. Thank you. And let's talk. I will show you how many I'm making, building, managing. So we'll talk. I've done so many websites, and don't feel worry, hesitate when hiring me. Feel confidence. I will do it confidently. Thank you.